Admittance is the key to stop the healing, right? But I didn't want to eat that humble pie, no why? I'd rather push on all your buttons to start a fight before I apologize. I blame it on the drink 'cause we had some. I swear that I don't care if you're leaving. No, that ain't me. Nah, that's just my ego talking. Baby, don't roll your eyes. I'm still me. Don't listen to my ego talking. I'm owning it tonight. My